Hey guys, today ay pag-uusapan natin dito itong earn kay GCash. So meron ditong bagong earn money dito sa may Explore the app. Right now, I've been checking the crypto market and as per checking, ang daming mga for sure na liquidate Halos 1.65 trillion ang na-wipe out ngayon sa US stock market. Tapos $250 billion din ang na-wipe out sa crypto market dahil ito sa bagong update kay Trump na or sa bagong announcement ni Trump na i-impose ng tariff sa China, 100% pa. So, ang laking epekto sa market, Pero for now, ay discuss lang natin ito. Siguro sa mga nagtatanong, hope I share some insights why the market is dumping right now. So, ngayon ay hustle to earn muna tayo dito. Gamit natin GCash, guys, So, share ko dito sa video natin today. Ayan. Last time, we share yung sa Grow, And then, if you observe din sa ating YouTube channel, before this dump pa, meron na tayong mga winidraw. And for the past couple of months, I've been sharing na rin ng Bitcoin, So, matagal na rin. Before pa umangat yan ng 120, ay nagla-live na tayo. Kaya ngayon, ay more on taking profits. So, ngayon, ay check lang natin itong earn money na option dito dahil if you have GCash, you can explore this one. So, earn money, check natin. Sa may hustle yun Syempre, kung gusto mo kumita, magtrabaho. So, meron ditong jobs na option. Ayan Kailangan daw i-access yung location ko. So, don't allow ko lang muna. Agree. Next. Get started tayo. Ayan May mga option dito. BPO. And the reason why you can start from zero and then work Ayan, G-jobs dito kay GCash nga. So, it depends ito sa yung passion, course. Merong BPO, sales, marketing, hotel, restaurant, logistics, transportation, accounting, finance, admin, human resource or HR, retail, merchandising, at marami pang iba dito sa view all industries like IT, healthcare, maintenance. You can sort this one, guys, Siguro hindi pa ito na-explore ng iba, pero sa mga naghanap ng work dyan, ayan, meron ding refer now. You can earn 500 bonus. I think it's type of a referral campaign ito. Ayan, andito yung mga potential na pwede kang makapag-earn ng free, guys, kahit wala kang pinaka-capital. Dito lang yan sa may G jobs, Ngayon, ayan, makikita nyo yung mga tabs sa baba. May jobs, referrals, ayan, communities. I think this one, kailangan mag-login para makapag-ask questions doon sa communities. So, punta tayo dito sa may job list. Ito nga. So, you can also search kung ano yung passion mo. Ayan, makikita mo dyan. You can refer and earn, Let's go back. I'll close this one muna. Punta tayo dito sa my quick rewards. So, check natin. Dito rin pala, guys, sa earn money, merong mga option dito ng self-development, like job readiness, language literacy, cookery, personal financial management, agro trip, Ayan. So, makikita natin dito. Like, if you want to have more ideas, you can check this modules, So, sa quick rewards naman, ayan, ito yung hustle, Proceed ko lang ito. Kailangan mag-consent dito, guys. Again, I'm just share lang dito other features from GCash na I think hindi pa na-explore ng iba. Ayan, based from my experience din dito, I'm just browsing itong GCash app as well. So, proceed. Okay, kailangan ka daw mag-relogin. So, ngayon, meron tayong 568. So, dun, guys, sa may explore, ito, sa baba, makikita natin, explore the app. Makikita natin yung hover lang natin papunta sa left. Yan, earn money. And quick rewards. Punta natin to. Like, proceed muna natin. Don't allow ko lang muna ito. Just for the privacy reasons. Next, get started. Don't allow. So, meron dito mga missions, guys, na we're in. I think you need to register. Ayan. And fill out lang yung form, I think this is other option to like earn dito, which is this hustle page. I don't want to continue lang. But this is another option lang aside from those jobs, na merong, ayan, refer a job and then you can earn dito sa GCash for free. Like, for example, itong earn 500 pesos. Ayan. You can explore this one, guys. Sa may G-Jobs ito. Close lang natin. Sa gigs, wala pa guys, no? I think they are still updating this one. Ayan, stay tuned. So, yun yung isa sa mga options dito, features. Meron din ditong for delivery. Dito apply as a rider. Other options for your careers and job openings. You can explore this one, guys. Good thing dito, naka-sort out na, no? And then, one thing na na-observe ko rin is organized na. So, let's go back ulit. We can check nung crypto market. Ayan, we have CIMB kasi na bawasan na pala ito. I pay my CIMB. Pinapataas ko lang yung credit. No? So, ngayon, punta tayo sa may G-Crypto siguro. Check natin crypto market as well. Nasa Grow, no? Ayan, tas G-Crypto. Meron ding G-Bonds and then G-Stocks PH. Ito yung na-discuss natin on the previous video. So, we can check ng crypto market right now. Ayan, punta tayo dito. Ayan, no? Negative 46. Meron nakikita na negative 46. Yan yung sinasabi ko, guys. I always keep reminding, especially in crypto space, that it's very volatile market. It's better to understand yung risk para mas magkaroon ka ng informed decisions, no? So, risk and reward, no? So, check natin yung price action dito ni BTC. Ayan. So, 6.5M. Grabe pala yung dinump, no? And then, bumalik din. Grabe yung liquidity grab, no? 101, tapos spike up din siya, oh. Yun yung recent update kanina, fundamentals, yung pag-announce ni Trump ng mag-impose siya ng tariff sa China, 100% pa. Sobrang reactive ng market. So, BTC down, 101, tapos quick spike din, no? Yan. Ethereum, check natin. 3.7. Ayan. So, for Ethereum, 3.3 yung retest pala kanina. And then, spike up din siya to 3.7. Weird. Instant yung spike niya dito after the retest sa 3.3. Ang dami lang niliquidate dito or hinit yung stop loss. Reactive din yung support, no? Nasa 3.3 something yung support. 3.390 ba if I'm not mistaken, yeah. Crypto is very volatile market. Anytime can dump, retrace. So right now, ayan, oh, negative 9.81%. Grabe. As mentioned, ang laki ng na-wipe out sa US stock market na 1.65 trillion. Tapos sa crypto market, 250 billion. Yun, quick update lang dito, guys, for Gcash. You can just explore this one. Starts from like 0. You can check itong refer a job and earn, no? Yun, guys, a quick update lang dito. Also update in crypto space. It's better as well to discuss sa gantong scenario nagkakaroon ng pagbagsak ng presyo. Makita nyo yung pinaka-perspective ng risk nitong crypto if you don't understand the risk. And para mas magkaroon ka ng informed decisions. And other options pa dito kay Gcash na recently na-observe ko and na-discover, guys, no? So, yun lang for today, guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. At sana hindi ko naapektuhan ng pag-dump dito sa crypto market as well as sa US stock market. Yun lang. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat and peace out. Bye for now.